Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change chat background on WeChat. Firstly, get up into your settings on your account, then go on the fourth selection, chats. When you get up right there, you're gonna find out background on the third selection. Go click on it, and here also you're gonna be able to get up and simply choose between wallpaper. You can get up and choose photo. You can take photo right now in the moment. You can apply to all chats if you get up to the your related interest. And now firstly I will go and choose a photo from my gallery. I will go with this one, and now I will go OK on my right upper side. As you can see with that green side, go apply to all chats, go OK. And now guys, with this we have changed chat background on WeChat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.